Realme recently began teasing the launch of a new Q series of phones in China. An official teaser image of the Realme Q revealed that the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 712 and will pack quad rear cameras has been teased in the official account of Weibo China. But, the phone design looked strikingly similar to the Realme 5 Pro. Now, a full set of leaked Realme Q hands-on images suggests that the phone might well be a rebranded version of the Realme 5 Pro. If that turns out to be true, the Realme Q will sport a 6.3-inch Full HD plus 1080-340 pixels display. Will draw power from the Snapdragon 712 SoC paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. Realme Q to pack a 48-megapixel Sony IMX471 primary sensor while selfies will be handled by a 16-megapixel front camera. The lights will be kept on by a 4035 mAh battery with support for VOOC 3.0 fast charging technology. It runs on ColorOS 6 based on Android 9 Pie. The handset measures 157 by 74.2 by 8.9 mm and weighs 184 grams. Connectivity features include dual nano SIM cards, triple slots, VoLTE, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0. Sensors on the phone include magnetic induction sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, gyrometer, gravity sensor, acceleration, and fingerprint sensor.